Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Nissan Leaf Plus. The Nissan Leaf Plus is an electric vehicle that has been a popular choice for those looking for a reliable and affordable EV. The exterior design of the Leaf Plus is sleek and modern, with a new front grille, new LED headlights, and a new bumper design. The Leaf Plus also gets new alloy wheel designs and a new rear spoiler. Moving to the interior, the Leaf Plus gets a new dashboard design, new instrument cluster, and a new infotainment system. The interior looks more modern and premium, with new materials and trim options. The seats are comfortable and provide good support, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for passengers. The Leaf Plus also gets a lot of storage space, including cup holders, door pockets, and a large glove box. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Leaf Plus gets a 62 kWh battery pack that provides an estimated range of up to 226 miles on a single charge. The Leaf Plus also gets a new electric motor that produces 147 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque. The performance is smooth and quiet, and the Leaf Plus handles well on both urban and rural roads. In terms of safety features, the Leaf Plus gets a range of standard features, including airbags, ABS, and especially. The Leaf Plus also gets advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Now, let's talk about the prices. The prices of the Leaf Plus vary depending on the trim level and features. The base model starts at around $36,000, while the top-of-the-line model starts at around $44,000. There are also federal and state incentives available for purchasing an electric vehicle, which can help reduce the cost. Overall, the Nissan Leaf Plus is a great electric vehicle that offers a lot of range, features, and value. It's a great option for those who are looking for a reliable and affordable EV for daily driving. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.